Hi, my name is Chef Andy Matsuda. I'd like to show you how to decorate and a basic idea for you. Let's start. So I have grilled salmon, fried potato, and carrots, and a green onion. So technique is we have a round plate. It's in a white plate. So most of people or idea was this is center, some potato, this one, this is not ready to do fancy at all. We get a white and orange color and a yellow, so we come up with the color combination of red, which bring in then we can use for some of the green. So we can show you to how works this combination. Still not fancy at all. So now we need to do, we can use for the green on here. So green is very important to do is color wise. This is not the balance wise, it's not a gray. So how we need to do create this one. So we need to do the distance. This is a flat and bring it down upper a combination in here. So now we can see is flat main item is coming to a little higher. Now we're using for the sauces. I have a green sauces by Pesto. I have a red sauces. So you can use for green comes in. Now we need to do red. So it's very different feelings of color comes in. And why? Because you can see we have a red, green, yellow, and some of the bracket colors comes in. So create the design for 5 different colors. So a couple of different style. We can use some sauces for decorating here. Now in a flat one, but we need to do sauces first. Then I can show you how to decorate. Still very weak. Now we need to do decorating and a color a design. More French styles, but not a Japanese way, but color combination It's making a more nice and fancy. The balance of the food. Now showing to the black plate, and a plate we need to buy is seasonal. So sometimes white, blue, red, darknesses. Most of the time we use for the dark plate is winter. So it should be winter item. At the same time, the decoration have front and then the back. The customer side and the front. So we need to do decoration. Looks like a Mount Fuji to you. So upper and down to you. That's how work decoration. So this time we use for green and darkness in here. Very contemporary. Still missing an up area. It's just open. The balance wide is not. Very contemporary decoration. So this time is plate is very unique because the center. So we do for, again, we use for green sauces and pesto sauces at the bottom. So you can see it nicely bright up nicely. So we need to know as many items are count, big one, small one only. We can do minimize it in the inside, and we can do create the design outside. very, very contemporary. Very, very sharp edges of the color. This time I don't have any potato, but it's good enough amount for everything's inside of it. So very minimized but colorful and a powerful decoration. Thank you for watching for the decoration for this one and a contemporary. We do show it to you more and later on. Keep watching us.